Hi everyone, I'm Lauren from A Menagerie of Stitches. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a regular color change. I like to use this method when I want my color change to be a bit more noticeable, especially if I'm making stripes. I call this the regular color changing method because, as you can see on this example, the color change to the new color is pretty visible. If you were to do the clean color changing method, you wouldn't be able to see this change as much. If you're not sure how to do the clean color changing method, I have a video tutorial which I'll link in the description below. To begin, when working the last stitch of the old color, make the stitch until you have just 2 loops left on your hook. Here I'm making a single crochet, so I'm going to insert my hook into the stitch, yarn over, and then pull up a loop. So now I have 2 loops left on my hook. Now typically, to finish this stitch, I would just yarn over again and pull through these 2 loops. But because I want to change colors, I'm going to pause right here. Bring in your new color and put it over your hook like so. Then pull this new color through these 2 loops. And that's going to finish your single crochet. Now to make this a regular color change, I'm just going to single crochet into the next stitch with the new color. So insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through both loops. And that's a single crochet with the new color. For the remaining stitches, I'm just going to single crochet around like normal with my new color. I've finished the round in the new color, and as you can see, that color change is fairly visible right here. I like to tie the ends of the old and new color together just to secure that color change. And if needed, you can trim these tails down. And there you have it, a regular color change. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials and free patterns. Happy crocheting, friends!